Welcome to today's slow yet challenging flow. We're going to begin in child's pose and immediately start with some spinal waves. So once you're in child's pose, begin to link your breath, rounding forward and exhaling backwards into downward dog. Inhale forwards into that plank-like shape. And exhale, lift backwards. So beginning with small waves, listening to how your spine and your back feels today. And then when you're ready, you can add more of a round forwards and more of a dip backwards in the spine. Keep it going. Take it as slow or as fast as you want to. Just make sure you're linking that breath, inhaling forwards and exhaling back. Last repetition here. And on the next exhale, finish in downward dog. Pause for a second. Inhale, walk to the outsides of the hands. Feet about mat width apart. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up to mountain. Connect the palms. And exhale, interlace the fingers and bow towards the left. Deep side stretch. Inhale to the middle and exhale to the right. Inhale back to the middle, lift the chest. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale halfway, exhale, step it back to plank, lower, and inhale either upward dog or cobra depending on if your back feels ready or not. Exhale, hips up, downward dog. And here take 2 to 3, maybe even 4 deep breaths. Pull yourself into the present. Focus on the sensation of your breathing. Next, inhale, walk to the top of your mat, find a halfway lift. Exhale, 2 folds. And inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, hands to the sides. Inhale, reach out one more time. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, step back to your plank. Inhale again, and exhale to lower. Inhale, lift, upward dog. And exhale, downward dog. Take another 2 to 4 deep grounding breaths here. Last exhale here. And on the next inhale, walk forward between the hands, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, lift back up one more time, maybe add a little back bend this time. Exhale to fold. Inhale halfway, exhale, step back to plank, lower, maybe in one breath this time, and inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale to downward dog. Take another moment. Recenter, find your foundation. And inhale, roll forwards to your plank. This time, lift the right leg all the way up to the sky or ceiling, finding 3-legged dog. Take a breath in, and on the exhale, bring that knee to the chest, but do not step it forward. Inhale, kick back up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale to kick back up. Exhale, knee to chest, use that core. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, knee to chest, pull belly button to spine. Last one, inhale, leg up, and exhale, knee to chest. Good. This time, inhale and step all the way forward. Well done. Inhale, lift up to your high lunge. Find a nice sturdy position, maybe a little bit lower this time to challenge yourself. On the next exhale, bring the hands down, interlace the fingers, and press the fists towards the mat. You can also do this by hooking the thumbs. Good. Pivot that left heel down, finding warrior stance. Deep breath in, and on the exhale, bow the chest to the mat for humble warrior. Hold, stay nice and strong. Try not to lean the torso on the front leg. Keep elevated. Good. Hands come down to meet the mat. And from here, extend that right leg just a little bit and step forward into a either one-legged halfway lift or full standing splits. From here, bring the left leg behind the right and try and take a seat on the mat. From here, left elbow comes onto the outside of the right leg, finding a gentle upper body twist. Targeting the mid-spine here. An option to grab onto the outside of the right foot with the left hand and extend the leg. And from here, we're going to come forward, keeping that right foot on the mat, extending the left leg back, finding runner's lunge. Now lifting that right leg up, and option to keep it hovered, lower into your chaturanga, then upward dog, keeping that knee lifted if possible, and then extending back to three-legged dog, maybe with a little bend in the spine. Good, bring that leg back down, take a pause, and we'll start on the other side. Inhale, left leg floats. Exhale, bring it into the chest. Inhale, extend it all the way up. Exhale, bring it to the chest. Inhale, extend. Exhale, engaging the core, knee to chest. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to chest, and step it forward. Inhale to lift into your high lunge. Find that depth. Taking a deep breath in, and exhale, interlace the fingers behind the back, press the fist down. Take another breath. Good, pivot the right foot into warrior stance, inhale, and exhale, bow down into your humble warrior. Trying not to rest the upper body on the left leg. Use your strength. Good, hands come down to the mat and either lift into a one-legged halfway lift or a full standing splits, right leg in the air. Good, bring the right leg behind the left and find the twist on the other side. This time the right elbow is on the outside of the left knee. Take some deep breaths, every inhale lifting taller and every exhale twisting deeper. Option to grab the outside of the left foot with the right hand, extending that left leg. Good. From here, bend that left knee and return to runner's lunge. Right leg extends back. Lift the left leg up, maybe keep it elevated as you lower. Inhale, lift, and extend back up to three-legged dog. Good, bring that foot back down. Take another couple of breaths, maybe move the legs if you like. Bending one knee, extending the other. From here, take those feet about mat width distance apart. We're going to try a couple handstand hops. So if you feel like doing that, go ahead and begin to bend the knees a little bit lower. But if you're not ready for that, then just meet us at the top of the mat. Make sure you feel controlled here, so not kicking up too high if you are not used to falling out of a handstand. After about 2 or 3 tries, end up at the top of the mat and fold. Inhale to lift, and exhale, hands to the sides. Take just a second, feet wiggle to the outside of the mat. Inhale, hands lift, and exhale, squat into Malasana. Find as straight of a back as you can. It's okay if the heels need to lift a little bit off the mat though. Good job. Inhale. From here, lift that right leg all the way up. Left hand stays connected to the mat and right hand begins to hover. Enter half moon pose. This is too much, you can always stay in that standing split or one-legged halfway lift. Good. From here, try and balance on just the left foot as you bring that right knee into your chest and stand up straight. Hover here and meet us here if you were in that one-legged halfway lift. And you can either stay holding on to the knee or you can extend, grabbing on to the big toe of the right foot. Right arm reaches back, left arm connects to that big toe. Good. See if you can hold your balance, extend into a warrior 3 briefly. Hands meet the mat and touch the right knee down. Extend the left leg into something like a 1/2 monkey pose, but try and bow the chest to the ground. Option to bring the hands over to the left as well. Good. From here, try and bend that right knee even further, then walk back to the top of the mat, step the left foot back, and we're going to start on the other side. So adding in a few more handstand hops if it's within your practice. If not, again, meet us at the top. Good job. Last one. Inhale halfway, exhale fold, and inhale reach all the way up. Connect the palms. Feet wiggle to the width of the mat. Exhale to squat down into Malasana. Lengthen back. Take a breath. And this time we're going to enter standing splits, keeping the right foot on the mat. The left leg hovers all the way up. When you're ready, find your foundation and lift that left leg. Again, you can stay in that halfway lift with one leg if you prefer. If you want to give it a go, try and open into half moon. Both left leg and left arm are hovering. Right arm and right leg are your base. And if you want to take it up one extra notch, try and hover the right hand or just touch the fingertips to the mat. From here, enter into that knee to chest position. And either remaining here or extending the left leg, left arm reaches back, right hand is connected to the left foot or the left big toe. Good job. From here, hands to hips, try and circle all the way to warrior 3. Bring those hands down, step back, and find your funky 1/2 monkey split. Bowing the chest down if you can, but no worries if you can't. Option to bring both hands over the right leg. Bend down into that left leg a little further, if possible. Then come on out. Step the right foot back. Take a breath in downward dog. Good. Inhale, walk or hop to the top of the mat. Find halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Couple more lifts and lowers. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale halfway. And exhale, fold. Grab onto those big toes if you want a little deeper of a fold. Pulling your body towards the mat, towards the shins. Good. From here, step the left foot back, keep the right foot on the outside of the hands, and enter into a funky lizard. Option to stay straight forward here on the mat, or you can also come onto the side of that right foot, gently press the knee away, and gently sink down. Option to grab on to the left foot with the right hand for a bit of a twisted dragon pose. Nice job. Release. Bring both hands back onto the inside of the right foot and swap sides. Left leg forward, right leg back. You can either bring that left hand onto the inside of the left leg, or you can stay facing forward, keeping the hips a little higher. Another option to add in that twisted dragon. Deep, slow breaths. Good job, and release. Bring it back forward to the top of the mat. Take a seat. Go ahead and lie down, extending the legs up, flexing the feet for waterfall pose. So make this cool down your own. Feel free to add in 2 little or longer figure 4 poses on either of the legs. But if you're ready to come out, plant those feet on the mat. Take one more deep breath, enjoying the final moment here on the mat. And if you're ready, come on out. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this sufficiently challenging and are feeling a lot more relaxed. Hope to see you next time. Thanks again.